No two people use Capture One in quite the same way, so it makes sense that you can customize the interface to suit your needs. If you have already watched the Interface Explain video, then you'll know that Capture One is essentially split up into 4 different areas: the Tools, Viewer, Browser, and Toolbar. Each of these can be customized or even moved to different areas of the workspace. The bulk of customization options can be found in the View menu, so let's start there. Note that each element of the Capture One interface has a Customize option. Options in here can include where to position it in Capture One's interface and change the appearance. For example, the browser could be moved below. Note some display or customization choices can also be made in the interface itself. In this example, I would prefer to have the browser as a strip, which I can change here. Let's see what's possible in the Tools and Tool tabs. By default, Capture One represents the various different tools by category in different tool tabs. For example, color-based tools here. Each tool tab has a fixed and a scrolling section. Move tools between those sections with a simple drag and drop. The order of tools can also be changed. Floating tools can be made simply by dragging them out of the Tool tab into the viewer. It's a good approach to remove tools that you don't use to tidy up your workspace. To remove, or indeed add any tool from or to any tool tab, right-click within the tool tab you would like to modify and pick an option. It's even possible to create a whole new tool tab. Right-click anywhere here and choose Add Tool tab, Custom Tool tab. Pick a name and icon for your tool tab and populate it with tools. If you'd like to start by adding these to the scrollable area, choose this option in the Tools submenu after adding the tool. Let's go ahead and populate this tool tab with some more tools. And rearrange them. Don't be afraid to experiment here. There is no danger in removing tools as they can always be added back, or you can reset to the default workspace in Window Workspace Default. To change the order of tool tabs, Command or Alt drag them to a new position. To customize the icons in the toolbar, choose Customize from the View menu mentioned earlier, or simply right-click anywhere and choose Customize Toolbar. Then any icon can be dragged onto the toolbar, and any icons you don't want removed. Even though any workspace changes you make will be present the next time you start Capture One, an additional option is to save your workspace. Do this from Window, Workspace. There is no limit to the number of workspaces you can save. Consider having workspaces for different tasks or for whether you're working mobile, in the studio, or at home. You can also try out some of the workspaces we've created here.